In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs read aloud to you. Whether you're looking to multitask or just want to give your eyes a break, this feature can be incredibly helpful. I'll guide you through the process step by step, and by the end of this session, you'll be ready to listen to any of your Google Docs documents with ease. To get started, first open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Google Docs and press Enter. This search should bring up Google Docs as the first link in your results. Go ahead and click on that link to take you directly to the Google Docs homepage. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be logged in. This will take you to your main Google Docs dashboard where all your documents are stored. Once you're in, you'll want to open an existing Google Docs file that you'd like to have read aloud to you. Browse through your recent documents or use the search feature to locate it quickly. When you've found the document you're interested in, click to open it. Now that you're inside the document, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find various menu options. Click on the Tools menu in the menu bar. This will drop down a list of options for you to explore. From here, you need to find and click on Accessibility Settings. You should now see a dialog box appear. Inside this box, look for the option labeled Turn on Screen Reader Support. Once you've located it, click the checkbox next to it to enable this feature. Then, hit OK to save your settings. With Screen Reader Support activated, your next step is to highlight the specific text you want to be read aloud. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the text, or by using the Shift key along with the arrow keys for keyboard navigation. After selecting the text, you'll notice a new accessibility option has appeared in your top menu bar. Click on this to reveal more options. Under this menu, locate Verbalize to Screen Reader, and then choose Verbalize Selection. This action will kickstart the reading feature, and you should start hearing your selected text through your computer's speakers or headphones. And that's it. You've successfully set up Google Docs to read aloud your text. It's a great way to learn or review documents when you're on the go, or if you're just seeking a more accessible way of interacting with your content. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you find this feature as useful as I do.